dog.
What's going on, Future Power Washing Pro?
Hey, man. I'm just here. I'm here to get the knowledge.
Indeed, on time and accounted for, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Let's see what you got back
All the way
there.
I know, man.
You see, they popping up all over the globe, y'all. This how we do it.
Yes, sir.
Hashtag Melanated Power Washing Pros. Indeed. Here on location doing a training. One of my mentees here, this Tracy right here, all the way from McDonough, Georgia, baby. Over here in Snellville, getting it done. Awning cleaning, storefront cleaning. We provide training, infrastructure, repairs, maintenance, and power washing services. Stay tuned. Already has increased his efficiency, already has increased his outcomes, already. 1 hour of training. Greet them, treat them, clean them, baby. Stay tuned.